Wait, what? Where? What? What's up everybody, this is Scott and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm not in my own studio, but that's okay because I'm actually in Greg's studio.
That's cool, but why are you here?
Yeah, that wasn't weird at all.
No, seriously, why are you in my house?
Anyway, today's video is the continuation of that two-part series that I talked about where I specifically want to mention what the new Home Smart Lighting System can do from an automation perspective. So there's five things that I'm gonna touch about. Specifically, I want to talk about scenes, that vacation time, the nightlight feature, automated timing and scheduling, as well as the Google Home integration. But it's not necessarily just Google Home, you can do it with Alexa. So let's go ahead and get started with exactly how you set up scenes. But before I do that, I want to say why scenes are important. This is kind of the whole point of the new Home Smart Lighting System, where it talks specifically about setting up the scenes and creating that layered lighting look when you're in your home. The whole purpose of the system is not just from the automation perspective, but it's to make that lighting work the way that you want. So it's again all about that layered lighting look. It gives you this really nice professional full look for your lighting. And now we need to talk about how do I go about setting that up. So if I open up the new Home Smart Lighting app, and let's see that we have the kitchen right there in the middle, and press our kitchen button. In the upper right hand corner, we have the word edit. When I press edit, I have the ability right there at the bottom to add new scene. Once I have that scene selected, I'm going to select the lights that I want to incorporate in this scene. So as you can see, I've selected chandeliers and sink light, and I want to make sure that I get the level of dim set correctly for what I'm now going to coin this as romantic lighting. I have now said chandeliers need to be almost down to nothing, sink light almost down to nothing. I've renamed it romantic lighting, and I have hit save. Maybe it's that time of the night where I want to have a little bit of wine, you know, and just make that nice pizza for myself. Yeah, I don't know. And that's how you go about setting the scenes in the Noon Home app. So on the main home page of the Noon app, you'll see the gear in the upper left. Let's press that. Under home control, you're going to see two options, vacation mode and nightlight. Let's specifically talk about that vacation mode. When you enable the vacation mode, it specifically knows when to set up lighting in the areas that you have set up. So for me, it would be particular to the kitchen. So when I enable vacation mode, it's automatically gonna mimic my lighting patterns while I'm away, which works really, really well, especially if I go to Disney or some other place. That way I don't have to think about it, I can set it and forget it. Maybe that saying is licensed. Hashtag trademark. So now that I've had the vacation mode scheduled, let's talk about the nightlight mode. The nightlight turns on this really low lighting when you walk past the room director because it actually has a proximity sensor when you're walking in the room. So if I wanted to say get a snack sometime around 2 o'clock in the morning to keep this big body Cadillac going, I want to make sure that I have the nightlight feature turned on to automatically at 10 o'clock p.m. turn on and automatically turn off at 6:30 a.m. Meaning that if I walk into the room, I want that light to turn on. I don't have to interact with the switch at all. I can walk directly over to the fridge, get that drink or snack that I want. The lights come on in an ultra low power mode, very, very dim. That way I don't trip over anything, and then I can come back. The lights will automatically go off after just a few minutes in that low power mode. Now let's talk about the automated timing and schedule. In that same setting area, you're going to go to schedule, and you're going to select add a new schedule. When I add a new schedule, I want to call something called save power. I want that to turn on automatically at 6:45 in the morning and turn off automatically at 9 p.m. at night, Monday through Friday. That way I know that every day, Monday through Friday, when I come down for work, when it's ready to go, the lights will be on, fully powered the way that I want. As you can see here, the scene that I've selected is every day, meaning that at 6:45 in the morning, I walk down and that is automatically on. Let's say something happens at nighttime at 9 p.m. I've left the lights on downstairs, but I don't want to go back downstairs to turn them off. I have this scheduled to where at 9 p.m. they automatically shut off all the way down. Lastly, let's talk about the home control. As you can see right here, you can set these up by logging into your Noon account in the Google Home app. This means that I can control all of this with my Google Home or my phone itself using just the regular keyword of OK, turn on my kitchen lights or whatever that might be, however I have it named. They fully interact just like any other smart light bulb. However, these are all through the power of the switch. So there you have it. That's how you connect scenes, night light, scheduling, vacation mode, and the Noon Home Smart Lighting System. So that's it. That's all I have. As always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. Join us on our live shows on Friday as long as the internet works, and we will see you again next time.